The Loboc River Cruise in Bohol, Philippines, offers a captivating journey through nature's wonders.
As the boat gently glides along the emerald waters, a symphony of enchanting sounds fills the air.
Towering palm trees sway in harmony with the breeze, casting dancing shadows on the riverbanks.
The journey begins at the Loboc River's mouth, where the boat embarks on its picturesque voyage. The tranquil atmosphere immediately embraces passengers, transporting them to a realm of serenity and beauty.
Along the riverbanks, small villages emerge, painted with a colorful palette of traditional houses and smiling faces.
Locals go about their daily lives, casting friendly waves and warm greetings to passing visitors.
The scent of traditional Filipino cuisine wafts through the air, tantalizing taste buds and promising a culinary adventure. The traditional folk songs and dances performed by local children along the Loboc River Cruise are a captivating celebration of culture and heritage.
With each rhythmic beat and graceful movement, they transport passengers into the heart of Filipino traditions.
These talented young performers showcase the rich tapestry of their cultural identity through vibrant costumes, intricate choreography, and soulful melodies.
Their voices fill the air, carrying the essence of generations, past and breathing life into age-old stories and legends.
As the boat glides along the serene river, the children's lively performances create a joyful atmosphere, inviting passengers to join in the festivities.
With infectious enthusiasm, they share the beauty and spirit of their traditions, fostering a sense of unity and appreciation among all who witness their talent.
Even the guests can come down and join them in their captivating dances and infectious music that is bound to give you lots of fun.
Through their dances, the children depict scenes from rural life, mythical tales, and historical events, keeping the flame of their cultural heritage alive.
The rhythmic footwork and graceful movements reveal the intricate nuances of their art, captivating onlookers and stirring emotions deep within.
The traditional folk songs accompanying the dances are a melodious journey through time.
Sung in local dialects, these songs express the joys, sorrows, and dreams of the Filipino people.
The lyrics resonate with the passengers, evoking a sense of nostalgia and a connection to the roots of the land.
As the performances come to an end, applause fills the air, mingling with the laughter and appreciation of the audience.
The children's radiant smiles reflect their pride in sharing their cultural heritage, and their performances leave an indelible mark on the hearts of all who witness their talent.
The traditional folk songs and dances performed by local children along the Loboc River Cruise are not merely entertainment, they are a testament to the enduring spirit of the Filipino people.
They serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving and cherishing cultural traditions, ensuring that they continue to inspire and enrich generations to come.
Tinikling is a traditional Philippine folk dance that originated in the province of Light. It is often considered the national dance of the Philippines.
The dance imitates the movements of a bird called the tickling, which is known for its agility and grace.
Tinikling involves two people, usually a man and a woman, who skillfully maneuver between two bamboo poles that are rhythmically clapped together.
The dancers step in and out of the poles, avoiding getting their feet caught, creating a captivating and visually stunning performance.
The dancer's footwork is the highlight of the tinikling dance. They gracefully step over and between the moving bamboo poles, maintaining perfect timing and coordination.
The dance requires precision, agility, and quick reflexes, as the poles are clapped together to the rhythm of the music.
Tinikling is often accompanied by traditional Filipino music, played on instruments such as the bandurria stringed instrument, guitar, and drums.
The lively beat sets the pace for the dancers, guiding their movements and adding to the energetic atmosphere.
Tinikling is not only a captivating dance, but also a symbol of Filipino resilience and unity. It represents the harmony between humans and nature, as dancers imitate the tickling bird's nimble movements.
The dance is a cherished part of Filipino culture, performed in various celebrations and festivals, showcasing the country's vibrant traditions.
The Loboc River Cruise is not just a boat ride, it is a journey of the senses, an immersion into the tapestry of nature's wonders. It leaves an indelible mark on the soul, beckoning visitors to return and experience its timeless allure once again.
The party atmosphere in the Loboc River Cruise is lively and vibrant.
Guests are surrounded by the scenic beauty of the river, while enjoying music, dancing, and delicious food.
The air is filled with excitement and laughter as people socialize and have a great time together.
The Loboc River Cruise is not just a boat ride. It is a journey of the senses, an immersion into the tapestry of nature's wonders.
And there are more songs to dance to in the Loboc River Cruise. Rollin' on Loboc River.
Subscribe, like, and share.
The nature in Loboc River is breathtaking and diverse. Lush green foliage lines the riverbanks, creating a serene and tranquil environment.
The crystal clear water flows gently, reflecting the surrounding trees and vibrant vegetation.
Wildlife such as birds, butterflies, and fish can be spotted along the river. adding to the natural beauty. Cable car rides and zip lines can be seen above the Loboc River Cruise.
The overall atmosphere is peaceful and rejuvenating, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers.
With a touch of sadness, the boat reaches the mouth of the Loboc River, heralding the end of this enchanting voyage.
As passengers disembark, their hearts are filled with unforgettable memories and a deep appreciation for the beauty that Bohol's Loboc River Cruise has bestowed upon them.
Just think about it, you know you can do